I never thought I'd be the one to tell this story. You see, looking back now, it all seems like a dream. But I assure you, every moment was as real as the ground beneath our feet. The Valley of Elah. Two armies poised on the brink of war. The Philistines and, well, us. The Israelites. I remember the fear in the air. You could almost taste it. The dread hung heavy, like the morning mist clinging to our tents.
Remember, lad, true strength often comes in unexpected forms. It's not always about size or muscle.
But have you seen him, sir? He's a monster.
Aye, he's big, but so's an ox, and yet a man can tame it.
And there he was, Goliath, 9 feet tall if he was an inch, armor gleaming in the morning sun.
The Israelites cower before you, my lord. They have no champion to match you.
Then let their fear be their undoing. Send out your champion. Let him face me in single combat. Why should whole armies die? Let our fight decide the battle.
By the gods, his voice alone could start an avalanche.
We're doomed. No man can stand against that mountain.
A great reward to the man who defeats Goliath, riches, my daughter's hand in marriage, freedom from taxes for his family.
Your Majesty, we must do something. The men's morale is breaking.
Is there no one who will stand for Israel?
The silence that followed was deafening. But you see, sometimes the unlikeliest of heroes can rise from the most unexpected places. And that day, well, that day changed everything. You see, while all this was happening, I was just a shepherd boy miles away from the conflict.
David, we're off to join the army. You're to watch the flock.
But I want to go with you. I can help.
You stay here where it's safe, little brother.
No.
Little did I know, this small act of bravery was just a prelude to what awaited me. The camp was unlike anything I'd ever seen. The air thick with fear and tension.
Did you hear Goliath today? His voice shook the very ground.
Excuse me, but why does everyone fear this Philistine so much? Is not our God greater than any giant?
Listen to the boy. Perhaps you'd like to face Goliath yourself.
If no one else will, then yes, I'll face him.
You face Goliath, but you're just a boy.
Your Majesty, I've killed both lions and bears to protect my father's sheep. This Philistine will be no different. I can't move in this. No, I'll go as I am with my sling and my staff.
And so, with nothing but my sling, my staff, and my faith, I went to face Goliath. The battle that would change, well, everything. You know, even now, after all these years, I can still feel the weight of that moment. The eyes of 2 armies upon me, the ground trembling beneath Goliath's feet.
Ha ha ha! Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks? Come here, boy, and I'll give your flesh to the birds and wild animals.
You come against me with sword and spear and javelin, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of the armies of Israel, whom you have defied.
Brave words for a lamb about to be slaughtered. Your God cannot save you now.
I missed. For a moment, just a moment, doubt crept in.
Run, boy, save yourself.
What have I done? I've sent a child to die.
In that moment, I felt so small, so insignificant. The smell of dust and sweat filled my nostrils.
Remember, lad, true strength often comes in unexpected forms.
Lord, guide my hand.
Time seemed to slow. I could hear my own heartbeat, feel the smooth stone in my hand.
Impossible.
The silence. It was deafening. You could hear a pin drop across the entire valley. Then,
He's done it. David has slain Goliath.
in that moment, I wasn't a king or a giant slayer. I was just a shepherd boy, standing in awe of what faith can do. And let me tell you, that moment, it changed everything.
For Israel, for David.
Lord, what have I done?
You know, or they say victory is sweet. But in that moment, as I stood over Goliath's fallen body, I felt overwhelmed. The silence of disbelief gave way to a roar that shook the very heavens. The battle that followed was unlike anything I had ever seen or imagined.
But he was our champion. How could we lose?
Run, boy, live to fight another day.
You have saved Israel this day, young David. Truly, the Lord was with you.
The victory is God's, your majesty. I was but his instrument.
Indeed, the Lord works in mysterious ways.
Brother, you have done what none of us could.
Jonathan's words, they warmed my heart. But I caught a glimmer of something in King Saul's eyes. Something that, years later, I would recognize as the seed of jealousy. It was a day of triumph, yes. But also a day that set in motion events that would shape the fate of our nation for generations to come. The victory over Goliath was just the beginning of a new chapter in Israel's history.
Lord, what path have you set before me?
Little brother, it seems we underestimated you.
You've brought great honor to our family, David.
I couldn't have known then the trials that lay ahead. The battles, the betrayals, the crown that awaited me. Even my own brothers, who once doubted me, now looked at me with new eyes. The weight of expectation settled on my shoulders, heavier than Goliath's armor. But in that moment, as the sun set on the valley of Elah, I knew that my life, and the life of Israel, would never be the same.
From shepherd to king, who could have imagined?